Hi, I'm Audrey, the host of My Tar Heel Adventures. Every Friday we visit a new town in North Carolina to give you an inside peek at our beautiful state. Today we're in Clinton. We'll be hanging out downtown and then stopping by a local gift shop. So stay tuned for an all-new My Tar Heel Adventures. This episode is brought to you by Gator Metal Roofing, official partner of the Carolina Hurricanes. Hi guys, we are here talking with the Executive Director of the Clinton-Sampson Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Matt Stone. Can you tell us a little bit about the Chamber of Commerce here in Clinton?
Yeah, we're here to be a voice for the business community, to promote the local economy and do what we can to move the needle here in Clinton and greater Sampson County.
So Matt, can you tell us a little bit about the history of this town?
Sampson County is named for John Sampson, the city of Clinton, for Richard Clinton. He was a Revolutionary War hero and the stepson of John Sampson. We're 200 years old this year. The town was founded in 1822, so there's been a lot going on in regards to that. The county seat is Sampson County, which is the largest county in North Carolina as far as square miles, and we're the biggest agricultural producing county in the state. Number one in sweet potatoes, number one in turkeys.
So Matt, what is Clinton known for?
There's over 274 barn quilts throughout the county.
Wow.
Many on public buildings as well as private. And we're standing in front of one of the pieces of public artwork that was put together by the local Sampson Arts Council.
Mm-hmm.
It represents millstones from the milling industry that dates back, I guess 1700s when the first settlers came to the area. So it's a great piece of public art. We've got a few around town and throughout the county. Yeah, another really neat thing that I found out about Sampson County, just a couple miles outside of downtown Clinton,
Mm-hmm.
in the Mathis Family Cemetery, largest dogwood tree in North America.
Oh wow.
I think it was certified in 2019 by National Tree Association. It's huge for a dogwood, but obviously not huge. It's not a sequoia, but I think it's pretty neat, especially in springtime when it's in bloom.
Can you tell us about some upcoming events?
Sure. The Chamber puts on a Christmas parade every year, and that's always on the second Saturday in December. It comes right through downtown, which is where we are today. Our main broadcast will be here in front of the millstone as well as our grandstand. It's the largest parade in the area. We have average about 100 participants each year, and we love putting it on. We get to promote some of the local businesses that are members, and we've got Santa Claus, so the kids love that as well.
That is super exciting. I'm ready to see Santa. So the parade is Saturday, December the 10th. Is it in the daytime?
December 10th at 10 o'clock, so it's always the second Saturday in December at 10 a.m. Another event that draws a lot of folks to town is the Clinton Square Fair, and that's held each year in the fall around the courthouse. They have a barbecue cook-off and vendors, and it's just a big festival. The Square Fair is a great opportunity for the children to come out, bring the family and the friends, and everybody get together and enjoy each other's company throughout the community. After Christmas time, we get cranked back up into the summer season. There's a Live After 5 concert series. It's held downtown here by the city market. Some beach music bands come out, country artists, bluegrass, all kinds of good stuff. Also, if you're visiting, we've got a history museum that's got some great exhibits, local sports hall of fame, military exhibits, as well as agricultural. So we invite you to come check us out.
So Matt, where can we find you online?
You can find us on our website. It's www.clinton, or Clinton, make sure you get the T there, sampsonchamber.org. We're also on LinkedIn and Facebook, as well as Instagram. So check us out. We've got a full calendar of events that the Chamber hosts, as well as the city and surrounding groups, anything they're putting on, Visitors Bureau, and so on and so forth. Or give us a call, 910-592-6177.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now a quick message from our sponsor, Gator Metal Roofing.
Attention homeowners, want to be the envy of your neighborhood? Simple, put an energy-efficient Gator metal roof on your home that will save you money on your cooling and heating bills. Not only will you be the neighborhood envy, but you could potentially cut your energy costs by 40%. And if you call now, you could qualify for 0% financing with payments as low as $99 per month. What are you waiting for? Get off your asphalt and call Gator Metal Roofing right now.
Hi guys, I'm sipping some delicious coffee here at Simply NC, and we're talking to the owner, Deborah. Tell us a little bit about Simply NC.
Simply NC was born in 2014, and I was in a different location at the time. My goal was to have something from all 100 counties in North Carolina, because this is Simply North Carolina store. And we're about 45 or 48 counties, so even though we've been working at it a long time, we're still trying to find stuff. So everything you find in here will be a quality product, just really great things that North Carolina has to offer.
That is such a great concept, and it's an amazing idea. I have to ask, how did that come to be?
My family planted a vineyard, and we were sold, some of our vines were the wrong kind of vines. They were for wine making, and we only do fresh pack. So we used our grapes to make grape juice, and we needed a place to market. So that got me thinking about other people that might be wanting to market their ideas also, and that's how we came up with Simply NC.
Oh, so cool. Wow. So Deborah, how do you find your products?
There were a few things I knew I really wanted when I first opened, because there was products that I had tried and really enjoyed. And from there, I started going to shows, vendor shows, and got to be and see things at the fair and other things like that. Plus, people were coming in and they say, "Have you tried so-and-so?" So when we moved over here in 2016 on 100 East Main Street, Clinton. And at that time, I added a coffee shop. And to tie it in with our North Carolina theme, I only used North Carolina roasted coffee beans. And we have those roasted in Hope Mills, North Carolina. The guy that has that business also taught us how to be baristas. And we have actually won Best Coffee in Sampson County 4 years in a row. And we're very proud of that.
What are some of your coffee menu highlights? Or some of your favorites?
Probably our favorite thing that we sell is called a polar bear latte, but we also have a wide variety of things from Americano, a drip coffee, cold brews. We do specialty smoothies using real fruit, not just a mix.
Okay.
And we have ice cream that's also from North Carolina. And it's a place that people just really love to come and visit with family and friends and relax and just kind of hanging out, doing some work or visiting or reading or whatever. We've tried to provide almost a home-like atmosphere for the business, and people have really embraced us locally, and we're very appreciative of that. We really try to stick with the whole North Carolina theme. We do wonderful gift baskets. Those are very popular, especially with the Christmas season coming up. Go to our online store and you can pick out things, or we have some options available already picked out so you know exactly how much it's going to cost. We ship just about all over the United States. We've shipped packages, so this is getting to be our busy time of year. We do anything from bereavement baskets instead of those flowers that fade away in a few days.
Yeah.
All the way to home warming and birthday and just a variety of reasons. So really great things go in them that you can enjoy for weeks to come.
Sounds good. And you mentioned you can buy things on your website. Where can we find you online?
Shop Simply NC. It's very simple. We have a new website. We just launched it about a week and a half ago, so it's brand new and more user-friendly than our old one. So I hope you'll really enjoy shopping there.
Well, thank you so much, Miss Deborah.
I enjoyed meeting you. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications to keep up with all of our adventures. Thanks to our sponsor, Gator Metal Roofing, we're giving away Carolina Hurricanes merch. So follow us on Facebook for more information on that. Now let's check in with a recent customer to see how their experience was. Hi guys, Audrey and Al here talking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing. So excited to be here, Miss Perkins. So first things first, what was your experience with Gator Metal Roofing?
I enjoyed everything they did. They did a really good job putting the roof on and everything, and I think it looks good. I like it.
What did you think about the installation process?
Installation, well, they only took a couple of days. They worked until it got dark almost, then they had to quit.
So Miss Perkins, what made you decide to get a metal roof?
Well, I had problems with the roof. I had a couple of people here working on it, and they did not do a good job on it and keep calling them back. And my son said, call Metal Roofing. And I called them.
All right, well, we're glad you did. All right, Miss Perkins, would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing?
I sure would. Matter of fact, I gave them out to a couple of people, so they need to call.
Yes, they do. And when they call and mention you, Miss Perkins, you will get a referral. We do pay $200 for referrals. So we're looking forward to that.
All right.
Thank you so much, Miss Perkins. Thank you for trusting Gator.
All right.